In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Calendar. This guide is perfect for anyone who's created a calendar on Google and for whatever reason no longer needs it. Maybe your events have moved on, changed, or you simply want to declutter your calendar list. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you through each step to ensure your Google Calendar is removed correctly and permanently. First, you'll need access to a computer as this process isn't available through the mobile app. So, head over to your computer and open your preferred web browser, then navigate to Google Calendar by typing in the address or searching for it online. Once you have Google Calendar open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all your calendars organized under the section labeled My Calendars. Hover over the calendar you wish to delete. This action will bring up a small menu indicated by 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. Clicking on these 3 dots will present you with a drop-down menu. Look for and select Settings and Sharing from this list. Upon clicking, you'll be taken to the settings page for the specific calendar you've chosen to remove. Now scroll down until you see the Delete option. Clicking Delete will prompt a confirmation dialog because it's very important to know that deleting a calendar is a permanent action. Make sure you double check that you're removing the correct calendar because once you complete this action, it cannot be undone. If you're sure this is the calendar you want to delete, go ahead and click on Permanently Delete. Keep in mind this will erase all the events within that calendar and there's no way to recover this information once it's gone. It's like clearing a slate entirely, so do make sure that any information from it is no longer needed. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a Google Calendar. As a quick summary, you simply head to Google Calendar on your computer, find the calendar in the left sidebar under My Calendars, click the 3-dot menu for Settings and Sharing, scroll down to Delete, and then confirm by choosing Permanently Delete. It's straightforward, but each step is important to ensure that you've removed exactly what you intended to. If you have any more calendars that need deletion or other settings you'd like to adjust, you can follow these same steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you manage your Google Calendar effectively. If you have more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other tutorials or contact your calendar administrator for more help.